I'll have to be careful in case I'll slip off.
Oh, you be careful.
Yeah, I'm gonna test.
They'll be very slippy.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said I'm gonna test. Because I did not have my proper booties. The proper booties that can walk in the water. So I'm going to feed them,
What's the little darling?
but it's alright.
Oh,
The water is now inside my booties.
well, it will be, yeah. What do you expect? Come on, babies. Where are you? There you go, my little darling. You've got some food.
Yeah, the water inside my boots now.
I'm sure they will be. You have to get some Wellingtons.
Yeah. It's okay.
Wellington. Baby's eating.
Okay. Right. So we have to go to oops. More washing to be done. More wet boots.